Canoe Slalom team, I spend much of my time on a river. During my involvement in canoeing, many of my favourite rivers have been lost or irrevocably altered due to the construction of hydroelectric dams. However, my awareness of the effect of the dams was limited to the social and aesthetic loss. I am now more aware of the ecological damage that hydroelectricity may cause. Don't Stop the Flow investigates the environmental sustainability of hydroelectricity. I initially hoped to draw attention to the potential damage that the Inga 3.62 project may cause to the Congo-River, using resources relating specifically to the Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC. Unfortunately, resources were limited due to the political instability, remoteness, and inaccessibility of the DRC. This forced me to investigate past hydroelectricity dams from around the world and use the information to show environmental sustainability of hydroelectricity, suggest methods to reduce damage caused, and provide alternate renewable energy sources that are more environmentally sustainable. The National Hydropower Association in the United States highlights the financial and environmental benefits of hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity provides low-cost electricity and produces relatively low CO2 emissions. However, there are many drawbacks that are not commonly known. Damming rivers to create hydroelectricity causes a loss of connectivity between the upper reaches of the river and the lower plains. This loss of connectivity may reduce the rate of sediment transfer. Yang et al. Showed that the construction of the Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze River had reduced sediment transfer by up to 70%. This reduction in sediment transfer had caused significant erosion and increased levels of salinity downstream and may ultimately influence the ecology of the Atlantic Ocean. I had not previously considered the importance of the sediment and nutrient transfer, but now have a greater appreciation of the role that rivers play in maintaining the world's ecology. Local ecosystems surrounding rivers may be significantly altered or lost due to the construction of hydroelectric dams. Dams in Brazil have led to the inundation of thousands of hectares of land. The inundated land is no longer accessible to local fauna and flora. The Congo River provides habitat to many unique animals and plants. If the Inga 3.62 project was completed, one of the world's most diverse ecosystems may be lost or damaged. According to SA Info, Africa needs electricity to become a peaceful and industrial continent. The South African government supports the development of Inga 3.62 and plans to develop a new transmission line from the DRC to South Africa. I would question the long-term efficacy of a long-distance transmission line, particularly when considering the numerous challenges facing current African electricity producers. So is there a better way to achieve the level of electricity production required to found a peaceful and industrious African continent? Yes, solar power would be better suited to Africa's unique requirements. Solar power could provide reliable electricity to even remote African populations without the large economical and environmental costs of establishing new infrastructure. I would encourage future governments around the world to reconsider funding and constructing expensive hydroelectricity dams. As shown, hydroelectricity can cause significant damage to the environment, and new technology will allow solar to become a major electrical producer around the world. Therefore, it would be smarter to continue to fund and promote the development of solar electricity industry, which has experienced annual growth of 33% since 1997. So stop allowing our rivers to be dammed and help build a brighter future.
Created using Powtoon.